How to set Wi-Fi IP addresses to the DHCP or statics on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connections. After click on Connection, you will see first option is Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi and click on this settings icon. After click on settings icon, click on view more. You will see IP setting is here. If you want to set Wi-Fi addresses IP settings, click on IP setting. If you want to set statics, click on statics. You will see IP setting is set on statics. If you want to set IP settings DHCP, click on DHCP. You will see IP setting is set on DHCP. So you will select DHCP and statics from here. After selecting, click on save, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set Wi-Fi addresses to DHCP or statics on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.